All right, so today was a very, very good day. We caught some buys, caught some sells. Currently in sales as we speak. I'm just going to start with the buys first. Buys, as I said in the Telegram, above that level that we was. So here, above that level, price was going to have some bullish momentum as long as we had got some volume, right? So as you can see, above this level, we have a high. So this swing high here. And then we also had a swing high here too as well. So two new swing highs above that gray zone. And this gray zone is just basically saying buyers are in control above this level towards these two levels, right? So as we had during session, so session is this green zone right here that you can see here. This green zone, price ended up retesting back at this level and then making that push off of here because once again, buyers are here. So I was able to capitalize right around this level right here, right around this level here, stop loss under this level here. And overall, I wasn't really targeting much. I was really just looking for reactions. So once I started seeing some rejections here, I started to, close my positions, and I'll put a screenshot of my two positions that I had. But yeah, I honestly just was like, okay, price is rejecting, let me close. It wasn't no like overall destination that I was targeting because overall I knew that price was going to have bullish momentum, but with price being at new highs, I was really skeptical of like how far it could go. So any rejection that I seen at this new high level, I was really just like taking it for like whatever I got, whatever the market gave me. So the market ended up giving a good push and then started giving some multiple rejections, staying stagnant here. So I was like, okay, sellers are sitting at this level. So let me just like play it safe and close my trade because now price would have been at a new high for this level. So as you can see, we have a new high now, right? So anything else would have been a correction and then later on probably continuing. But when that happened, I was also able to capitalize off some sales. I'll post a screenshot too as well. I was also in some sales, and the reason I called sales is honestly the same way, right? So here we have an indication. The reason why I marked this is because this is what price bought off of. This is where buyers were at. They made a super, super strong push, and then sellers ended up kicking in here, and then sellers ended up pushing all the way down. Reactions from buyers, but then sellers ended up making a push again, right? So sellers made a whole push. So now this is a indication. This is indicating that anything up below the zone will sell just like this. So from here, price is broken and it's sold down to this level, right? So even here, this is where buyers are at, right? So this is where a strong level of buyers are at because price ended up pushing from this level and pushing back up. But all this movement that was here was the correction. So first we have our indication. An indication is when price breaks a swing low and shows that, hey, price under this level can sell from this level to this level. Once that happened, price ended up correcting. I actually got an early position in the market because we had that first push down, retracement. So overall pullback, and then price ended up selling again. But I sold the first time because I've been doing this for so long. I already knew that price was going to give us a bigger sell than what it was giving, due to the fact that just overall we had when I sold, we ended up getting this low, this new low under this level of support. So as long as price didn't start building higher highs and higher lows, I was good. Even if price was retracing, this didn't scare me because I know that this is most likely going to be that lower high. As you can see from my screenshots of my positions, I had got in early, but that pullback happened. And then after it, I sold one more time and got another position right where I was supposed to, which is under this level. So under this level would have been an entry point. So I'm gonna make this green. No, I'm gonna make it orange, and then I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so you can see. This is where your entry point is supposed to come from. Your entry point is coming from here due to the fact that under this level, you know that price has potential to sell under this level. I think the biggest thing for me right now to tell you guys is like, if you are ever trying to buy or sell, If you are trying to sell price, just sell it anytime that is under a swing low. And if it's above a swing high, buy it. And you can do this on a demo account and just test it. Like literally test it. Every time you see price break a swing low or a swing high, just test it. Like even now, if you're terrified to get into the trade for some reason, when you have all the confluences that price will sell under this level, if you're just still somehow scared, just test it. See what happens. The worst that could happen is you lose the trade. Wow. You lose the trade, you can go on to the next trade. It's not that big of a deal. People take losses as like this super crazy big deal. Like even if it's real money, like even if you're practicing with your real money, bro, you're going to end up making it back once you actually understand how to trade. Like, bro, like I remember my losses from when I first started. I don't even think about them anymore because I've made them back triple, quadruple times, right? So with that being said, stop being scared. A lot of people are just scared. They need like all these different things and confluences and all this different like they want to know everything. Like, why is the number 3,626? What is the decimal mean? What does that mean? Like what is this position? What does this mean? What does style mean? Like y'all be asking like the craziest questions ever. And like, every question is good, but you guys are like thinking way too deep into it. Like all I'm doing is simply looking at a swing low. Hey, price broke the swing low. It went from here to here. All right, my entry is going to come from here. My exit is going to be here. So right now, this is where I'm supposed to be exiting, but I can see that price is still pushing below this level. So this lets me know that there's not strong buyers sitting at this level. So I can hold my position to until I start to see buyers kick into the market. That's it. Nothing else. I don't make it up either. I let price show me. Like I don't just say, "Oh, price is giving an indication now. Oh, price is giving correction. It's going to make a correction now. Oh, it's going to go for the continuation now." I just let price show me that. And then I'm like, "Okay, price is doing this now." Like right now, I'm not making up, oh, it's going to sell off pretty hard. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, okay, I see that price is breaking this level of support. Okay, this is good. This is giving me more signs that sellers can kick into the market. You see the difference between, oh, it's breaking that low. It's going to sell super hard now. Like there's a total difference from the lingo that you're using and then like just overall your mindset about it. Like it's just so like I'm not thinking that way. Like I'm thinking in my head, like, hey, okay, price is doing this right now. That means it's looking to do something like this. Let me see how it goes. Like even though price is, selling under this, oops, excuse me. Even though price is selling under the support level, I'm not like, oh, let me full margin some more trades for sales. I'm not thinking that. I'm just being patient, being calm. Okay, price is breaking support. That's good. That's more good signs to stay in my sales. Okay. What can I benefit off of now? Okay. I would like to see price, push down a little bit more and then retrace and give me another lower high to work off of. Boom. Like you see the difference between my talking and probably some of you guys talking. Like you guys are like, okay, it's gonna sell now, or like it's gonna buy now. I think it's gonna do this, or I think it's gonna do that. Nah, bro, just let price show you what it wants to do and just follow it. Like it's not that hard. Like it's like you're overcomplicating trading for no reason. Like, you're literally overcomplicating it for no reason. Trade with the volume, swing highs, swing lows. Just follow it. Like literally, like all I did today was I seen that price drop down, came to this level, and it bought up off this level super hard. So this lets me know that buyers are sitting here and they're pushing price up from that level. The buying pressure started from here. This is where all this started from. So then the fact that price came to this point and then just magically turned around. Well, it's not magically, but I'm just saying, like, for some of you guys are not understanding. Like, this is not just going to turn around for no reason. This means that sellers are sitting here. Sellers are sitting here. And you just follow along with what price is doing. Sellers, right? Sellers are sitting here. They start selling price. Price is selling. If you actually pay attention to the fundamentals of trading and just trends, you'll understand this is where buyers are at. If sellers surpass the buyers, this means that there's no more buyers in the market under the level that price is giving you. So this gray area was once buyer's territory above this level. So anything above here has buying potential, yes. But the moment price sneaks under this level, everything under this level, buyers have no control over. Buyers literally have no control over what goes under. Like it's like going to a sketchy like underground fight. Like the freaking there's no rules down there. There's no more rules. The police can't help you down there, right? So it's like the same way with price. Like once sellers surpass the buyers, so that's why you see all these rejections, right? In the beginning, sellers are like trying to push past the buyers, but the buyers ain't budging. But the moment sellers finally get past the buyers are no longer helping anymore. Everything under here, buyers are no longer helping, no longer helping you. So there's no reason to be scared when it comes to selling under this level. You already have multiple confirmations. Your confirmation itself is just prices under the swing low. That should already be a strong enough confirmation for you. And that's how I'm gonna keep it because some of you guys be trying to overcomplicate it. That's all. That's my only confirmation. Some of you guys be like, "Oh, what made you get in that trade?" Oh, it broke a swing low. That's it. That's literally it. Oh, it broke a swing low. It got a lower high. Indication to the downside. That's it. Nothing, no crazy explanation. Most of the time, I got in this position. Oh, it broke this swing low right here. It already had a previous indication of doing that. So it's going to do the same thing again. Once you get an indication, you have the correction. The continuation is just repeating what the indication did. That's all you're looking for. You're looking for your entry, which is going to be right around here, your stop loss above this level. All you're doing is saying, hey, I just want price to do the same thing that it did on the indication. That's all you're doing. That's all you're doing. And you can literally come in, you can do this however you want. Five pips is normally good enough. So five right around here. 5 pips is normally good enough. And then boom. And now we can scale from here. So now we're still scaling. Price is still going down. So we're still scaling, right? And half the time I don't even really care about the risk to reward because the trades that I get in, I'm not trying to be cocky, but I do have a high win percentage. But price does the same thing over and over. Price does the same thing over and over in every single video I've shown you every single time, the same model, the same thing, the same trading every single time. I'm showing you the same thing, the same thing every single time. So yeah, don't overcomplicate it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today.